Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Haas VF-1D. Now this machine comes with a 20 horsepower high torque spindle motor, 7500 RPM spindle with a 20 count automatic tool changer. It has 1000 inch per minute rapids, USB drive and MPG control. It has rigid tapping and spindle orientation. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Haas VF-1D. For any further questions, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.